You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with the distance between 2 points. The distance between the 2 points is the square root of 3026, or 55.009. Let's solve it step by step. Plot the 2 points and calculate the distance using the formula. The coordinates of point 1 are, x1 equals -64 and y1 equals 17. The coordinates of point 2 are, x2 equals -65 and y2 equals 72. D is the distance between the 2 points. The Pythagorean theorem tells us that taking the square root of both sides leads us to the distance formula. Plug the coordinates of the points into the formula. x1 equals -64. x2 equals -65. y1 equals 17. y2 equals 72. Calculate the expression inside the parentheses. Simplify numbers raised to exponents. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the distance between the 2 points is the square root of 3026, or 55.009.